PNP, and Judge Jimmy Santiago, the head of the NBI. At we had a pre-meeting before that where we discussed the creation of a task force. At that will be drawn out over the weekend, and the result will be announced next week by Miko. Miko, ikaw na mag-a-announce, no? Okay. Then after that, besides this matter, meron na kasing ideas kami kung ano nangyari with this the crime that happened to the victim who was found in Rodriguez Rizal. And we had an idea about this. We were talking to each other already prior to this since last week. Actually, I got involved lang nung Monday. But since last week, and I was talking already to Chief Marbil about it. Almost every day na tayo